Hi everyone, this is Silvana with Family First Life Veritas, and today we're talking retirement. A lot of people have been calling me terrified because they're seeing on a daily basis the balance of their account dropping. So they want to know what to do, if to cash it out, to sell, what to do. So there are different options here. If you are currently contributing to an employer-sponsored retirement account, let's say 401k or IRA, well, you gotta get a hold of your HR, whoever handles your retirement, and just change the risk allocation, the riskier investments, and get help from there. You cannot roll it over. Now, if you do have an IRA, any qualified plan, employer sponsor that is from a job that you already separated from, that you no longer work there, that I can help you roll it over. What you want to do is roll it over into a fixed index annuity. So you got to make sure we properly structure an FIA for different reasons. Number one, it will guarantee you no losses ever in the stock market. You're not participating. Another benefit is that it will be tax deferred. So you're not paying taxes immediately. So not only you're not losing money, you're not paying taxes on that either. So some companies out there, according to the state you live, the product we use, how long we have it for, can offer you a bonus that will be applied towards the principal. You will be paying no fees whatsoever with an FIA, unlike an 401k or 403b, anything like that. And the last and most important benefit is that thanks to mortality credits that only an insurance company can offer you, you are guaranteed a paycheck for life, regardless of the balance on that retirement. So that, my friends, is the smart way to grow, protect your money. Visit us at ffl-veritas.com, fill out a form, and we'll get a hold of you, book an appointment, and make sure that you're properly structuring your retirement in a safe way.